All right, this is 2017 Rookies and Stars football. We got one autograph, two memorabilia cards per box. Uh, Everybody that's in on the break is over here on the left-hand side. You guys are getting two teams per spot in the random, starting from Trade Wins down to Brandon K. We copy everybody's name, taking on over here to random.org. Yeah, Trade Wins. Let me check again. Yeah, Trade Wins, absolutely, man. Yep. Yep, I got you, bro. Alright, where we at here? Sorry, guys. Let's repaste that. All those names are in there two times. Two teams per spot. And 9 times on the random. Good luck, everybody. Eight and 9 times. And we got Trade Wins on the top. Chris C on the bottom. And bring you guys back on over here and take it to that football spreadsheet. And, Arizona down to Washington. And paste you guys right on in there. Make those names a little bigger. Highlight it a little bit. All right, there we go, everybody. Those are your teams. Those are the teams for the Rookies and Stars. Like I said, thank you guys all again for getting in on that. And good luck. All right, 2017 Rookies and Stars. Here we go. One auto, two memorabilia per box. Here we go. Good luck, guys. First up, Bruce Ellington, Todd Gurley, Kenny Stills, Kyle Rudolph, Seth DeVale, Tom Brady, airborne insert of Michael Vick for the Falcons. And our first numbered card is going out to the Giants, Sterling Shepard. And that one is number 13 out of 70. And our first two rookies are Kenny Golladay for the Lions and Deshaun Watson. Somebody's looking for that Watson. There it is. Deshaun Watson for the Texans, plus Kid Reporter. And next up, we got Greg Olsen. There he goes. Greg Olsen for the Panthers. Eddie Lacy. DeAndre Hopkins. Adrian Peterson. Fletcher Cox, and got a hit going out here. It looks like to Carolina. I think we all know who that is. And the Panthers. And trade wins. Year 1. Damn, they get all weird and yellow. Alright, year 1, Christian McCaffrey. Rookies and stars. What the hell is going on with this lighting here? Sorry guys, I don't know what happened there. I'm trying to focus in on this. Maybe it's just a card. Alright, anyway, year 1, Christian McCaffrey. Very nice. Action pack of Julio Jones. Von Miller, standing ovation. And the rookies are Chad Williams for the Cardinals and Curtis Samuel for Panthers. All right, Robbie Anderson, Eric Berry, Brandon LaFell, Randall Cobb, Brandon Cooks, and our next hit looks like the Texans. And yep, Dante Foreman, dual cross training insert. I don't know what that has to do with the 40-yard dash or the bench press, but there's 2 jersey pieces on there. Number 22 out of 99. Going out to Houston. And trade wins. Dante Foreman dual jersey. Prowler's insert of Richard Sherman. Precision passers Russell Wilson, and the 2 rookies Alvin Kamara for the Saints and Artavius Scott for the Chargers, and of course the rookie of the year, good old Kid Reporter. All right, next up is Martavius Bryant, Phillip Rivers, J.J. Watt, Vance McDonald, Cole Beasley, and Dante Moncrief base. Airborne of David Johnson. And we got a numbered Trevor Siemian for the Broncos. Number 50 of 7. Going on to Denver and Brandon K. Picking up the Trevor Siemian, numbered out of 50. And our 2 rookies are Chris Godwin for the Bucks and Cooper Kupp for the Rams. All right, 2 left. We're still due for that ink. Still due for an autograph here, guys. So good luck. Marvin Jones Jr., Aaron Donald, Michael Crabtree, Mohamed Sanu, Ben Roethlisberger, and these are where the veterans come out of. So let's hope for the best here, and good luck, guys. Nope, nothing, and it's not even a vet. Crusade of Foreman insert for the Texans. That is not. That one actually is numbered. Down here. Come on, you can do it. Out of 99. Ray Lewis insert for the Ravens. Standing ovation of Carson Palmer. And the rookies are TJ Watt and Mac Hollins. All right, last pack should have some ink in this one, guys. Good luck, everybody. All right, Gerald McCoy, Corey Coleman, Melvin Gordon, Cameron Jordan, and Antonio Brown. And there it is, going out to the Cardinals. Arizona Cardinals picking up that TJ Logan. That one's number 18 out of 25. TJ Logan, rookie auto. Number 2, only 25. Very nice. Going out to Arizona. And trade wins. TJ Logan. And a rookie rush insert of Dalvin Cook. Precision passers, Cam Newton. And our 2 rookies are Bucky Hodges and our Joshua Dobbs. 18% off. Thanks again for getting in on that, guys. It's Bambino. We are out.